Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrikant. Today we will continue to work on leave management system application. As part of today's video, I'll be covering site creation process. There are a couple of things we have to make before we start creating the site. The first thing is we have to go to the process variable and we have to check the value, allow value for the variable to be provided when starting a process. So select this, repeat the same step for remaining process variable as well. This is cancel, this is is leave applied, and read only. Next, we can go to start node and select process start form, and we can select the name of the interface which we wanted to start. Click on yes and click on OK. Next, you can enable this activity chaining. With that, you can publish the results. Okay, everything looks good. Now we can go back to designer and we will create a site. New site. Give the name as leave management system, and you have to also provide a display name as well. So I'm just going to copy this, or I'm going to give the same name, leave management system. Click on create. Pick the default values. Next step is to add the pages. Here is my web URL which I'm going to launch in a bit. Before that, I need to add pages to this website. So I'm going to click on add page. I'll say LMS is the or leave management system as the name of the website, and icon is a mandatory field here. I'm going to select one of the icon from this list. Then we have the option here to select interface, action, record list, and the report. I'll go with the action because I'm associating this page to the action and the process modeler. Here, when you type the name of the process modeler, you will get that NIC LMS. Select that process modeler. This is the one. This is the one. And click on OK. Next step is save these changes. Now I'm going to launch my site. Okay, my site is ready, and I will add now I will add Robin. User ID is going to be R333 and leave start date is going to be 16th August, end date is going to be 18th August. This is going to be vacation, and apply leave now. Click on OK. It is submitted. Step is to approve or reject leave request. So manager is going to launch Tempo, and he will switch to task tab. He will see the task here, manager's action required, Robin's leave request. So manager is going to click on this. Again, it is going to launch this form. Most of the fields are read only for him, and he can approve or reject. This is approval. This is approval from the site, and click on submit manager action. So task has been submitted successfully, and now we can go back to database and we will refresh our table. The task, the one that we can refresh the table now. Record is inserted successfully here with the status as approved. We can quickly check another scenario. I will go back to site. This time I'm going to say Ram. We can test another scenario. This time I'm going to select William W444. Start date is going to be 17th and end date is going to be 18th. We can check the validation here. I will go with the 9th August. Please select a return to office date later than the leave start date. That means I need to select return to office date later than 17th August. So I'm going to select 18th August now. And this time is going to be a 1 day, and it's going to be sick day, and I will submit. Next, we can go back to Tempo here and click on taskbar again. A moment ago, manager's actions required task has been created. Williams leave request. Click this. This time I'm going to reject. Rejected. Sample rejection scenario from the site. Click. Before that, I would like to show you here. Let me browse. It is Williams request is still in the pending approval, sick leave, and now I'm going to submit. Now I'm going to submit this rejection response. Click on submit manager's action. It has been submitted successfully. Now pending approval should change to rejected. I'm going to browse my table again. It got updated correctly. Rejected. Sample rejection scenario from the site. That's all for today. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.